I'm going to be testing 2 no glue slimes. Okay, so my first one I'm going to be testing is this face mask that I got. It's called Oozy Slimy Face Mask, and it's bubblegum scented, so I'm really excited to try this one out. Okay. I'm gonna try and get this open. I might need scissors. Okay, it's not really coming. Bink. Let me try one more time. Nope. Okay, I've got scissors. Okay. I'm gonna cut this open and hope it doesn't splatter everywhere. Oh, this one's pink. This is so cool. Okay. It's pink. Oh, goodness. Okay. I'm going to try and get this all out of the container. It's really goopy. Oh. You can see that really pretty salmon color. Okay. Well, I got the majority out. This aside here. Okay. So this is really, I mean, it looks pretty cool. And it smells amazing. It smells like peaches. That's so cool. Okay. My hands are a little sticky, but it's fine. Okay. So I'm going to activate it with contact lens solution and baking soda, and we'll see what happens. So I'm going to add like a couple pinches of baking soda. Alright, I can tell it's thick. It's sort of coming off the edges a little. Now, let's see. Guys, I think this is working. This is so cool. This isn't even glue. This is sticking on the edges. I'm so excited that this is working. I've got a bubblegummy peach scented, really cool pink color. This is so cool. Looks a little sticky, so I'm gonna add a tiny bit more baking soda in. But guys, this is slime. This is so cool. It's a little sticky, but that is so cool. It smells so cool, and it's such a pretty pink. I think this one is a yes, yes. I really hope you guys can try this out. As I said, it's a little sticky, but I'm going to add a tiny bit more contact lens solution in, and I'll hope it not be so sticky. So it's a yes, yes for this one. It's so cool, so soft, super stretchy. Okay. Side. This next one I'm going to be testing is a Sure Tack slime. So you could use like sticky tack or Elmer sticky tack or whatever that you can stick, like posters up, poster tack, whatever you have. I really like this one because it has a really nice blue color. You can see that. And I'm going to be testing this and seeing if it will slime. Okay. So I'm going to try and grab a piece here, see if I can rip it off. Okay, come in. This stuff is already like pretty stretchy, and it's already sort of like slime, but it's pretty hard. So we're going to see if we can make this one a little softer. So I'm just going to stretch a little to sort of make it more stretchy and durable. Because it's stretchy, but it's hard and it's sometimes breaks. So the ingredient, it's only one ingredient I'm adding to this. The ingredient I want to add to this one to help it get really soft is shaving cream or shaving foam. It's hopefully going to help this sticky tack soften up a little. Okay, so I'm going to put this one down. By the way, you don't even need a bowl for this one if you don't really want to. I'm not using a bowl for this one. Okay, so my shaving cream smells like raspberries. It's really cool. So you can see this part is a little messy, but trust me, it'll all be worth it in the end. Oh, that smells so good. I can already feel it's starting to soften up and stretch a little more. And what I'm also liking is how this is lighting up this blue color. And so now it's not as deep a blue, it's more of like a teal, like a really nice light blue. So this is really fun to make, you guys. I really hope you'll be able to test this one out because it's so fun to make. And you can just like feel it come together and make a nice, soft and stretchy slime. This is so cool. So if yours is too hard still, you can always add in more of the shaving foam, or if it's too soft, which hopefully it won't get to, but if it is, you can always add in more of the sticky tack or whatever you have and are using for this one. So I'm just stretching this, playing with it, trying to mix in the shaving foam with it. I'm going to add in one more little dollop. Whoop. Okay. So it still does break sometimes, but overall this has gotten a lot better and stretchier. It was at the beginning really hard. Now it's really, like, it's gotten a lot softer and stretchier. My hands are still pretty messy, but it's so fun. And as I told you earlier, this one smells so good, like raspberries, because of the shaving cream. Okay, so I'm just going to try and get all this shaving cream off me, because it's on me right now and I want to get it all into the sticky tack. Okay, it's on my finger now. Okay. Just going to get all off my fingers and mix that in. So guys, this one is such a cool one. This definitely worked. It's gotten a lot softer. You can poke it. It's stretchy. This one's so easy and fun to make, and it comes out with such a good result. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video where I made a pink and blue slime. The pink one was with the face mask. That does smell like peaches. It's soft, stretchy, not sticky. Great for pokes. And then I made the blue tack one, which is a little harder, but still super stretchy. You can poke it. Mine was a nice light blue color. If yours gets a little too hard, you can always add more shaving cream. This one was so fun to make. Well, both of them were really fun to make. And I hope you guys can make them. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye!